Hi viewers, welcome back to our learning channel. In this video, I am going to share with you some tips about using charts and graphs for different purposes. For timeline, usually we design this timeline which takes a lot of time from us to design such type of lines, etc. So you can make this very easily in the Excel like this one. For example, you have different tasks, and here you see this arrow which you can do with the edits in graph. So I want to share with you some options which you can edit in charts and graphs, and you can make them according to your needs. For example, this is a simple chart timeline. So here you see I have typed month, here the activity, and then this direction column, this is for these lines to show me. For example, if you want that these lines should be similar shapes, so you can use these 111. If you want this, these should be like this, for example, like this. First it should start from, and then here in the implementation and monitoring it should be on the top, and then it should go down again. So here you see these numbers are creating all these different shapes for you. So how you can do that? Let me explain it to you in simple way. First you need to develop this simple type of table, activities and the direction of different activities. So first we will select only the month column and this direction column. Go to insert, recommended chart, and here we will take this bar chart, or you can take it from the all charts in the column charts. Okay, here you are. Now on top of these bars, I want these the names of these activities. So what I will do for that, here when you double click the chart, this bottom of the chart, so here you can see these different options, access options. If you can do that by right clicking and format access also, just click format access. Now here you see we have a November month also, while there is no November month because it's automatically taking the timeline into months. So here first I need here to uncheck this automatically select based on data. We will check text access. We can consider this as text so that it may not bring in all those dates or months which we have not mentioned. So now you see we don't have that November one. So this text access is very important. So now here I want these activities names to written on the top. So for that, usually what we do, we go to add elements, add chart elements, and here we apply data labels outside. So here now we have these labels, but these labels are from here. I want these labels to be from these activity line. So for that, the simple method is when you click these data labels, go to the access option, label option. In the label option, we will select value from cell. We want values from cell. So we will select these values and OK. Now there you see those numbers are also there. So you can uncheck this value and show header line, etc. Just say value from cells. So here you have those values from cells. Now you want that these bars should not be that much in width. You want to decrease the width. So when you click them here, you see these options, series overlap and gap width. So this gap width, if I decrease this gap width like this, so you see this is decreasing the gap between these lines. I will need to increase them more. So now the size is decreasing. Now these are only such type of lines. Now what we need, double click this and come here to the chart option, the format option, format chart area. If you want to give separate colors to each line, so you can vary colors by point also. If you unmark that, so it will be same color. If you mark that, so you can have different type of colors. Now we can apply some shadows also, some presets, some beautiful designs. For example, this one. So you see now, it's in different format now. You can change the color to any color that you want. So it would now show a different design. If you do not want shadow glow, so you can go to glow and apply some from here. You can apply this. Oh, sorry, this was the chart was selected. So let me select these lines and now apply the. Now here, this line, I want an arrow from this side to this side. So that you can do from here in the line, solid fill, give a specific color that you want, and here the width you can increase from here. You see now here the width is increasing of this line, so you can increase that. And now here below, the type, the end arrow size, end arrow type, so that I want like this. So now you see we have an arrow which is going like that. And you can change the format and types from here. So now we have that arrow also, and we have this chart. Now you can change its design and how to add some progress and some more animation. For example, if I want it like this, so I will apply 111 here. So it's like that. If you want some extra steps, for example, 1 3 5 5 3 1. So you can apply these type of tips steps also. So you can give much more. So you can do this according to your need. Now if you want that it should not be this much thick, or for example if we don't want these colors and we just want a narrow lines, only narrow line, then the simple option is click this one, go to format, shape fill, should be no fill, these lines, no lines. Okay, everything is not visible. Now here in these charts elements, error bar, you see these error bar, click that, click more option. So here you have these more option. I want both. uh, if you want a cape, so okay. If you don't want no cape, so that it should be simple line. And here select percentage and add type 100%. So now it would be a complete line. You see now, these are the complete lines. Now these items should be on the top. Here you need to select this minus, the minus one, no cap, percentage, and 100%. And now you can have those lines. You can change the color of these lines to any color that you want from the format. Here in the format, you can have this shape. You can increase the width also a little bit more if you want. So you can increase that from here also. And you can change them also to the arrows if you want. If you want it, now you want to add the progress line. Right click, select data. Here you want a progress, add. I am adding another series, progress. From where? From here. And OK. Now you will see OK. Now if I add here some, so it's just adding a similar type of line. OK. Now if you want that I need similar type of colors here also, and I will change the color of these lines to something else. For example, if you want that these colors should be, fill of these should be uh, green or something like that to show the progress. So in the solid fill, I will select green. Okay. Now, for example, if we have only completed this task, so we will type 1, but we will not type the codes of the other task. Now you can see the green one is there only. If this task is also completed, so we will type the code of this task. So you will see that green. If you don't want like that, if you want a line or something filling the shapes, etc., so that then you can do double click the chart, go to chart design, chart type, and here since we have used different series, so we can use the combo box. Now here in the combo, the direction one, the first one is cluster columns. Okay. Now here in the progress which type you want, a line that should go like that or whatever format you want. You want an area that it should be filled like this. You want it like, for example, let's first see this line format. Here you can change the color. It's like that, so you can change its color to green so that it shows the progress. Now, if this one is also completed, so type the code. So you see the line is going on. This color you can change from here also, and let me make it green. Now, if you have completed this one also, so you see the line is going on. Now, if you completed this one, so line is here and now here. Now, if you want it that it should not be like that, it should be filling this portion. So, same technique, go to chart type. Here in the combo, for the progress, I want another design. For the progress, I want this type of area to be filled, this type. Or you want an area like that to be filled. Or you want an area like this to be filled. So you can apply these format. Now you will see here. For example, only the first one is completed. So 1. Now if the second one also completes, so you will see now this portion is filled, that we have completed this. If you go onward, so you see it's filling for you all this information with these digits. And the other benefit here is if I take this chart to PowerPoint, so and if I apply some animations, so that will work on separate items because PowerPoint is also Microsoft Office and it will consider it its own product. From here you can edit the data also. You can go back to the Excel also. So you can play with these charts in different ways and you can use them. I am going to share a detailed tutorial on charts also, but for the time being, I just wanted to show you that you can play with these charts because if you are going to develop such shapes, so that will take a lot of time. And here you can just with these digits play around and make such shapes very easily. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Keep learning. Like, share, and comment. Thank you. If you visit my channel, if you want to learn Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, Access, MS Word and Mail merge, then other tricks of the Microsoft Excel and other softwares, other learning tips, how to prepare yourself for interviews, these other playlist of learning online data collection, KOBO, MS Form, Google Form for collecting online data, data analytics, project management series is there is a playlist for MS Excel beginners also, Windows, and all these playlists, single playlists are also available. So you can benefit from all these sessions which are free of cost and you just open it and watch them and learn and improve your productivity. There are these beautifully designed PowerPoint presentations, how to make these PowerPoint presentation, and every video has a detailed step-by-step tutorial. So visit my channel, subscribe, like and share and comment. Comment is very important for me because if you comment a video, so I can improve these videos more. Whatever question you have, so you can ask, and this will be good for the channel also, and learn and improve your product. Thank you.